materials. So that's to say, the first one is owing. Sorry, let me change this marker. Is owing 3 plantain. Another plantain, yes, owing 8 plantain. Another plantain again, yes, having 5 plantain. Good. Thank God this one saving the issue of this plantain. Assuming this one is in between, we'll have to rearrange it again so that the owing will follow. But then we have gotten all the plantain as follow each other. Yes, we have selected all the plantain. Then the first yam that presented itself is owing 4 yam. Okay, you're going to continue from the right. Owing 4 yam. Another yam again. Yes, having 9 yam. Having 9 yam. That's for that. Yeah, we've gotten a special mark there. So the next thing now is what to talk about this plantain. Okay, the plantain owing 3 plantain, owing 8 plantain. So the owing are already following each other. Assuming the owing are not arranged within plantain, we'll have rearranged them. But hence they're already arranged that the owing they're following each other and they having separate. So want to look at it. Each of this plantain now, we're owing the other man 3 plantain, I owe the other person another 8 plantain. That is total owing 11 plantains. So owing 11 plantains. That is the language. Having 5 plantain. Okay, having 5 plantain. So we come to the issue of yam. Owing 4 yam, we want to bring everything to total. All that have to do with yam had total. All that have to do with plantain come to a total. So owing 4 yam, having 9 yam. So this one just repeated itself because it's already come to total, waiting for this one because we'll disperse once and for all. Settle the case once and for all. So now that we have total owing of plantain and total having of plantain, come to yam, total owing and total having. So we want to settle. Coming to the issue of plantain. Plantain, what is the matter? You owe someone 11 plantain. But as at the time the person meets you to ask you for this plantain, to return the 11, you are having only 5. What will you do with that? So you beg, you apologize, you beg the person, please, you plead. Please, I will give out, you have to release out the 5 plantain. And you also, there were kind of appeal. So that you're going to pay back the remaining 6. That is to say, you owe 6. 6 what now? Plantain. That is the issue of plantain. That plantain have settled. Then it comes to the issue of yam. So, yam matter. You are owing 4 yams. And you have 9 yams. That's not a problem. You're a rich man. In terms of yam, you are very rich. So the person comes to draw you, to disturb you about it. What will you do? You release the 4 and say, take your yam. So the result is what? I'm having extra 5 yams. Having 5 what? Yam. So please remember, because that's some of the mistakes. Some people will come and add this one and say, my pastor said minus 6 plus y. Say minus plus equal to this. No, they are not the same material. You don't have yam plantain or plan yam. There's no language like that. You want to give them is 11 yam plantain or plan yam. It's not there. Hence, they're different material. The result is that you are owing 6 plantain and you are having 5 yam. This is the final answer. Take note of this. And you're a successful mathematician, as you know this. God bless you. Alright, this same question that we just solved right now, I want to present it immediately with this FM. You know, I just used OH now to handle that one. Okay, so we want to represent in FM. So, but whether FM or OH, you must first of all check this issue of the battle. So, and settle that. So, we have to settle, apply TG. So, in application of TG, our solution here now. So, we have to apply TG, which is minus 3p, and this minus 4y, then minus 8p plus 9y plus 5p. You know, here Like I told you, there are already one, each of the signs, they are being separated with numbers, the alphabet. So now in this case, I had this example online before. In this case, it's called, we want to represent this with FM, using FM. We're going to create a house for P and have to create a house for Y. Like inter-house sports. Say this house, P house might be pink house, then Y house might be yellow house, for instance. So in inter-house sports. So each house has male and female, each house. So that's what we want to do now. So let's quickly build the house for P, okay? And we have to separate this canopy, Then have for Y, and have to do it this way, Then this male house, female, male, female. You see it very clear. So with this, we represented them. Want to represent them. So now P house and Y house. This is the house spot. So we have male room and female room. In Y house, we have male room and female room. So want to start, drive anyone you see, any of the students you get outside, drive them to their room, to their own apartment. So based on their houses, so entire house, your various houses. So now, this one is, we have female here. How many are there? There are 3. Which house? In pink house. Pink house. Yellow house. Let's say pink. Let's say yellow. Okay? So this pink house, which female are they? There are 3. You come to pink house, check female apartment. There are 3. Enter your room, your house. 1, 2, 3. That is it. The next female, there are how many? There are 4. In which house? In yellow house. You come to yellow house. Female, you get a female apartment. How many? There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. Then the next female too. How many? There are 8. In which house? In pink house. Coming to pink house. The female apartment. There are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. The next male. How many? There are 9. In which house? In yellow house. Yellow house. In male's house apartment. There are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the next male. How many? There are 5. In which house? In pink house. Coming to pink house. To male apartment. There are 5. 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is all. So close their houses. Their various houses. So the next is giving them out in marriage. Don't forget, searching for the unmarried. We want to see the apartment that have not married. Let's see. Don't forget, this question is the question we just solved right now. We want to use FM to solve it so you can make a choice. Let's see how FM will help us to get this answer. In case of your OBJ, to be sure that you know what you're doing. Okay? Let's look at this. Now, coming to this house, in pink house, they're married within the house. Okay? You cannot from here go and marry here. No. So they start giving them out within the house. So let's look at this. In this place, this boy married to this girl. This married to this. This married to this. This married to this. This married to this. The boys has finished. We are left with what? Females unmarried. We are searching for the unmarried in each house. So in pink house, we have some that are unmarried. In which room? In female room. In female room, how many are they that are not married? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 of them. In which house? In pink house. Pink house. And so, coming to this side, this get married to this. 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 Oh, that's all. So in this place, in yellow house, we discover that it's in female house, in male's room, that we're discovering unmarried. Male. You come to this, add it to it. Male. In male room, how many are there that have not married? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 there. In which house? In yellow house. If you look at this question,